The Making of a Scientist Summary in English. The Making of a Scientist is a story about the leading scientist Richard Ebright. He was a curious child right from the beginning years of his life. He had started collecting butterflies in his childhood, and by the time he is in second grade, he had already gathered all the 25 species found in his hometown. Also, he collected corns, fossils, and rocks. One day his mother gave him a book named The Travel of Monarch X. This book has been a turning point in life and introduced him to the world of science. He experienced the real science in country science fair, and moreover he understood that to win something he needs to do something extraordinary. Later, for his 8th grade, he selected the assignment of finding the cause of viral sickness that killed almost all the monarch caterpillars every year. He thought that the cause for this could be a beetle, so he rose caterpillars with the presence of beetles. However, he was wrong. Next year his project for the science fair was testing the theory that viceroy butterflies copy monarchs. His project got the first prize in zoology division and third in country science fair. In his second year of high school, Richard Ebright research led to his discovery of an unknown insect hormone which led to his new theory on the lives of cells. He tried to find the purpose of tiny golden spots on the back of monarch pupa. This project won first place in a country science fair and a chance to work in Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. As a high school student, he continued his advanced experiment and finally was able to identify hormones' chemical structure. One day while looking at the X-ray photos of the hormone, he got the idea of his new theory that tells cells can read the blueprint of its DNA. Ebright and his roommate constructed the plastic model of a molecule to illustrate the working of DNA. It was a big leap forward and got published in a magazine. He graduated from Harvard with the highest honors. He has other interests also like public speaking, debate, and is also a canoeist and an outdoor person. Also, he was competitive but in good sense and always want to do his best. Moreover, he possesses all the traits of becoming a good scientist. Conclusion of The Making of a Scientist. The story teaches us that with perseverance, dedication, and hard work any dream is achievable.